Installing a front PCIe adapter and riser card. Insert the riser card into the slots in the riser cage. Push the top of the riser card towards the riser cage so that the holes in the riser card engage with the holes on the riser cage. Fasten the screws to secure the riser card in place. Connect the cables to the riser card. Push the retainer clip to the open position. Align the PCIe adapter with the PCIe slot on the riser card and carefully press the PCIe adapter straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Close the retention latch. Install the Riser 5 assembly on the front OCP assembly. Insert the Riser 5 assembly into the front chassis. And then install the 2 screws to secure it. Connect the cables to the system board assembly and the rear OCP interposer card. Install the fan cage and system fans. Reinstall the air baffle. Install the Riser 1 assembly. Install the top cover.